Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Samsung 980 Pro PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD M.2. This is a 1TB version. You can also get in 500 gigs and 512 gigs and 2TB and maybe 4TB, I'm not sure. But yeah, this one is compatible with PS5. So the Pro versions, all of them are compatible with PS5 apart from the 9s, the lower one, very low one. So just make sure if you're buying this one will work on PS5, but the other ones won't. Some of the other ones won't. So I've got the PS5 ready. I'm going to be doing that on another video, so stay tuned for that if you have a PS5 and want to upgrade it. So I bought this for £125. They go for about 170, but right now it's Black Friday, so it's gone down a bit. So I was going to buy it anyway, but yeah, I'm very poor at the moment, but my brother cries, so I buy it anyway. You know, bloody bastard. Okay. Oh, I need scissors actually. Oh yeah, will do. Let me see actually. Can I rip this without ripping the box and stuff? No more. They're not sharp enough. Gonna need some scissors. Yeah, this is the box itself. There's the NVMe lookalike, whatever. 980 Pro. Okay, 7000 read speed up to. There's your stuff. Okay. Unstoppable speed. NVMe Express. I bet get some scissors if you can find some. Not sure what the warranty is on this, but yeah. Alright, so this is double the data transfer rate of PCIe 3 apparently, but it's also backward compatible as well if you need to. So it claims to be 2 times faster than Gen 3 SSDs, which is the old ones, and 12.7 times faster than a SATA SSD. So it can do 7000 read speeds. I'm not sure what the write speed is. I'll try to find it if I can. And it's got a thermal thing built in. That's not bad at all. Okay, so right, it only says there's nothing about the write speeds on here, but yeah, if you have a PC I guess you can check it. But yeah, they got very high reviews, so yeah, let me go ahead and open it now anyways. Let me pause the video while I do this. Alright guys, opened it. Should come in a nice plastic box that looks nice. There you go. Look how tiny it is, guys. So if you are putting this in a PS5, which you will be, you'll need a heatsink, which I've got also. So otherwise you will overheat over time and slow down. So yeah, this is the casing. Is very nice casing. I love this casing. Wow. So yeah, this M.2 is tiny, guys. I swear my one's bigger than this. Are they getting tinier and tinier? PCIe 4 might be tinier, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, there's different lengths, but yeah. See, they put it in like this. How the fuck you gonna get it out without touching anything? You have to get it out like this. There you go. Right, so this is the SSD itself. 980 Pro, very sexy. Wow, it's tiny though. And yeah, you got all the chips under there. So if you are getting some thermal pads, put them on these chips right here, and one chip there, the silver one there. Can you see? So there and there. So 2 chips. You only need 2 there. And then you put your heatsink, metal heatsink thing there. There's your connector, and there's where your screw goes. I believe it's a 80 or something, whatever size it is. I'm not sure. But yeah, you should be able to fit it anyway. Just check your compatibility and everything. This is backwards compatible and stuff. But yeah, it's a very good device. I'm gonna give it a try. Make sure you don't touch any of the connectors. You'll just lower the lifespan of it with your oils and stuff. But yeah, you should be alright. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. If you have a PS5 and want to watch how to do this, then keep an eye out. I'll have a video up on that soon.